Hello, Namaste. This is an 100% cashback offer from Flipkart. As you see in the picture, you have to click on the link. I'll provide this link also in description box. You can check out. After you click on the link, you see Open Secret Rakhi gift hamper. So when you purchase this, you'll be given 100% cashback in form of coins. This costs 260 rupees. You'll be given 268 super coins. As you see in the picture, you have to say this offer before you purchase. You will earn 268 super coins cashback, as you see in the picture. Once you confirm with that, you can click on buy now. Once you click on buy now, click on continue and make payment. Once you make payment, your order is placed. That's it, done. After you place the order, you see the scratch card coming up. You can scratch it and you'll see the coupon. If you want, you can use that coupon in your next purchase. So do avail this offer, 100% cashback, and you have 60% off on the product. Enjoy Rakhi gift hamper or the gift box, whatever you call. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe. If you've got any doubts, ask me in the comment section. If you like the video, do share. Keep smiling. Have a good day.